Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala continues to go up, found very strong support here yesterday at the 58-cent level. I bought around 60 cent. I made you aware yesterday in my Gala video that I bought. It was still time for anyone else to buy the dip here when I made my video, but again, never financial advice, always only what I did. Yeah, we saw that correction play out, complete. Now we are on our way up again. Already came down a little bit, so making a higher low here and just making another higher low and higher highs throughout. That is starting to look for me like an impulsive move here to the upside with a next resistance level here at 74 or 75 cents, where we had resistance here before. This is where we are currently having resistance as well. From here though, I think we can go to the all-time high level, which is pretty much up here at 84, 85 cents. I remain very bullish on Gala. It was a great opportunity yesterday for me and maybe for anyone else, but again, that is up to you. To buy the dip here, it was really good, really positive, because we came down after a strong move here to the upside. We just had to retrace, and I just wanted to get into this project. I did miss it before, and yesterday I started to go in finally, so that was positive. And now we've already made since yesterday a nice, pretty much 30, or where we are now is currently a 20% gain, but at the peak we had already a 28-29% gain. Nevertheless, I'm going to hold my Gala because first of all, I bought them to participate in the game. So there are two games at the moment that can be played. They are really good fun. That's also why I'm bullish on Gala, because I think it's also important to not only buy the hype, or invest in a project, but if you invest in a project, understand it, understand the product behind it, and the product behind it are these games. One of them being the Spider Tank game, the other one being the Town, I just forgot the name, that Town game there, and which is really great. Just played it yesterday. Addictive, you can earn those Town tokens as well, play to earn. In my view, that's the future. And they are good fun, and there are more games coming out. And when more games are coming out and more people get aware of this project, this price that you can see here is continuing to go up in my view. So yeah, that's all good. So that's why I'm bullish on this project. I think it's still very early days, even though if we zoom out, we already made a huge gain. But overall, I remain bullish, even though there might be price fluctuations at some point. We might come down a little bit more. But overall, what I can see is the prices go up all the time until we hit a market cap that is adequate for this project. I don't think we are there yet. I think we could see another 5x from here. That is not a problem in the next year. So I remain very bullish on this project. And now I already regret that I didn't buy more, but that's fine. I'm not gonna jump in now, even though we are still below all-time high territory. I bought the dip. That's what I try to do. I try to buy when people are scared. I bought here knowing that we could actually come down a little bit more to that ascending trend line, but I still went in because, and I mentioned it yesterday, because there was a key resistance, key support level here, and to be honest, that drop down here, I would have expected then a move up from here at least, because it's a great project. Nevertheless, where are we in terms of the indicators? So first of all, gave you that key support level here that we are currently testing, where we had resistance before, so that's 67 cents. Did retest it. Now we're retesting 70 cents currently, coming down currently. That is also here where we had support before, in that area here. What is important, the next resistance level, as I said, 75 cents. After that, here a little bit higher, 76 cents, but then really, I think that key level up there, that is the 85-cent level. We need to get beyond that, need to get above that to make new all-time highs. I think it's possible. We had our correction play out, A, B, C, and now we're on our way back up again. Looking at the indicators, let us just take a look here on the 4-hour chart. We are in the bullish territory here on the RSI, which I think is looking good. We need to make sure that we don't see here a bearish divergence emerging. You already have a week one, so we had a correction. We came down to the 50 level, so that did basically mimic what the price was doing. Now we've got scope here to come back to the upside. On the MACD, we also see a potential reversal here, possible bullish cross coming if we see prices go up further, and this would be a buy signal. And here on the daily, however, and that is why, again, at some point there will probably be a bigger, larger retracement, pretty much like sand, what I talked about sand, because we are still very overbought here on the daily. And on the weekly, can't really talk about the weekly. I think that price history is too short. But even on the weekly, we would be massively overbought. So we are on the daily. So at some point we have to bring this RSI down further. But at the moment, this key support level seems to hold. And in the medium term, I expect higher prices, which is why I'm going to hold my Gala. And I think this project has great potential. So nevertheless, be aware that at some point we need to bring this RSI down further. This daily RSI is just overbought. Only reason I bought in yesterday was because we hit the key support level. We came down quite far, still remained in the overbought territory. Normally I wouldn't go in, but knowingly that this project could probably do, it could get to $1 or even higher before we see that major retracement. So yeah, and also I wanted to participate in the game, but it's still very early days overall here for Gala. So yeah, I think $2.5, $3. Why not? I think it is a possibility, especially when more and more games come out and more people learn about this project. Many people still don't know about Gala. Many people still only know about Mana and Sand. But yeah, this is still very, very early, even though we've already made a huge pump here already. So that's pretty much my take on Gala. Hope you liked that update about Gala. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.